Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So you just unboxed your device, turned it on, and you see the screen. What you have to do first is to select preferred language. Let's choose English, then tap on Start. Next, you can insert a SIM card now and connect to the mobile network, but if you don't have any SIM card, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Next, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network, or you don't have any Wi-Fi network around you, you just can set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Next, you have to set up your date and time. Next, you have to, if you want, you can use Google services. If you don't want, you can just disable these features, but in any case, you have to accept Google Terms of Service and privacy policy here. Next, you can set your lock on your phone. It could be PIN. You can also change it for pattern and password here, but if you don't want to lock your device, you can just skip this step and set up this later in settings. Next, you have to get to know with all this interesting information, and then just tap here and accept privacy policy and contest form, and that's it. Now your device is ready to use. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.